Hi friends, welcome to the PYQ Masterclass where I help you identify important PYQ themes by linking the current affairs to the PYQs. Guys, today's theme is very important because in the last 3 years, 2023, 2024 and 2025, continuously questions are coming on this theme, and I am very sure that again in 2026 there will be one question on this important theme. That important theme is, guys, mother and child health. You can see, guys, these are two questions which came on this theme in 2023 prelims examination. This is 2023 prelims question, guys. You can see this. Consider the following statements regarding Janani Suraksha Yojana. And again, you can see in that year itself, there was a question on Anemia Mukt Bharat strategy. This is 2023. Okay, both of them are basically on women health. Theme is women health or mother health. Okay, mother and child health. Then again, you can see, guys, there was a question recently, Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matritva Abhiyan. Again, there was a question recently on the same theme of mother and child education. Okay, and in 2024 there was a question on total fertility rate. There was a question on total fertility rate. Okay, so guys, through this, what we can assume that in 2023, in 2024 and again in 2025, UPSC question setters are focusing on this theme of mother and child health. Okay, so what I think was recently in the PIB and also it was covered in the Hindu editorial, the issue of MMR, maternal mortality rate. Okay, you can see here they have asked total fertility rate. Next, they can ask you what is maternal mortality rate. So recently in the Hindu newspaper, there was a very detailed article on the maternal mortality rate, the recent data that India has achieved the maternal mortality rate of around 93. So what is maternal mortality rate? Maternal mortality rate is number of death per 1 lakh live birth. Okay, this is very important, guys. They can ask you definition based questions. You can see they have already asked definition based questions. Total fertility rate, what is the meaning of total fertility rate? So they can ask you what is the meaning of maternal mortality rate, or they can ask you fact based questions. What is the MMR of India as per the survey in 2019-2021? Okay, or they can ask you what is the SDG target. What is the SDG target? Guys, the SDG target for the maternal mortality rate is 70 per 1 lakh live birth, and many states in India, they have achieved it. For example, Kerala, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Jharkhand, Gujarat and Karnataka have already achieved this SDG target. You can see, guys, in the PIB recently, they have covered this detailed article on maternal mortality rate and child mortality rate, and this theme is very important. Fact based questions, term based questions can be asked, and the scheme based question. I'm going to give you the entire list of schemes which they can ask you in the coming years. Okay, so guys, you can see here maternal mortality rate, which was very high at 130 in 2014-16, has decreased to 93 in 2019-2021. Similarly, guys, the neonatal mortality rate has declined from 26 per 1000 live birth to 19 per 1000 live birth in 2021, and under 5 mortality rate has also declined from 45 to 31. You can see this is a very important point. And total fertility rate, which was asked in UPSC prelims examination, has declined to 2.0 in 2021, which is a significant improvement from 2.3 in 2014. So all these, okay, they come from the same theme. These two graphs are very important. Under 5 mortality rate, from 45 it has decreased to 31. IMR, infant mortality rate, has decreased from 39 to 27, and then neonatal mortality rate has decreased from 26 to 19. Okay, so this trend, because trend based questions, fact based questions is very popular in UPSC. Every year they are asking one fact based question, so they can frame fact, what is the trend. So you can see it is continuously declining. They can frame questions like steadily decreasing. Okay, like this they can frame. So this graph is very, very important. These facts are very, very important. And now we will cover the schemes which are there for this topic. Okay, because you can see from this single page already UPSC has asked multiple questions. You can see UPSC has asked about the Janani Suraksha Yojana. Already UPSC has asked on this because government has lot of schemes in this theme, child and mother health. Child and mother health, lot of schemes are there. So Janani Suraksha Yojana, UPSC has already asked. It was launched in 2005 with an objective of reducing the maternal and neonatal mortality rate. Janani Suraksha Yojana promotes institutional delivery among pregnant women, especially with weak socio-economic status such as scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and BPL households. Next, Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. I think this is the most important scheme. If they will ask anything on this theme again, they will ask this scheme, Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. It is a maternity benefit program run by Ministry of Women and Child Development. This is very important. It is run by Ministry of Women and Child Development, and the benefit is 5,000 rupees. 5,000 rupees available to women for the first living child of the family, subject to fulfillment of conditionalities. All pregnant women who have their pregnancies for the first child in the family on or after 1st of January 2017 are eligible for getting benefit under the program. This is very, very important. And guys, recently under Mission Shakti, there is an additional cash incentives for behavioral change for the girl child. For the girl child, second child, if it is a girl child, then cash incentives are also provided. Next, Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram. Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram. This is very, very important, guys. You can see this can also be asked. It was launched in 2011. Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram aims at eliminating out-of-pocket expenditure for pregnant women and sick infants by entitling them free delivery, including cesarean section, free transport, free diagnostic, free medicine, and other consumable diet and blood in public health institutions. Okay, Janani Sishu Suraksha Karyakram. Next is Surakshit Martiv Aswasan Suman scheme. Suman scheme. Okay, this is basically launched in 2019. Suman provides assured, dignified, respectful, quality healthcare at no cost and zero tolerance for denial of services for every woman and newborn women visiting the public health facility. Next, this question has already been asked recently. Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Martiv Abhiyan. Okay, this was asked recently only. Guys, you can go through that. So I believe that this Matru Vandana Yojana is a very important scheme which can be asked in the UPSC Prelims examination, or this Lakshya. Okay, it is for the quality care in the labor room. Okay, Lakshya is also an important point. So guys, you see, this theme is very, very popular in UPSC Prelims examination. Multiple questions have come on this theme, and today we have seen how we can do the PYQ analysis and how we can predict what can be future questions on this theme. So questions can be term based. They can ask you to define what is MMR, what is IMR, what is under 5 mortality rate, what is neo mortality rate, or questions can be on facts related to these, or questions can be from this scheme page. Already 2 of the schemes from this page have already been asked in the last 3 years, and I'm very confident that in future also they will be asking questions from this scheme. So guys, like this, I'm every day giving you 10 most important questions in my prelims batch. I hope you are solving these 10 important questions. These questions I'm framing by linking the PYQs with the current affairs. Guys, if you like these sessions of PYQ discussions, please do consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends. If you give us a lot of support, we will continue this initiative throughout the year. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.